So today I'm going to show you a cheap and easy way to make Wolverine's claws. So you want to start by drawing out the basic shape on a piece of paper. Make sure it fits over your fingers. It's pretty easy to draw, but I do have a template if you need something to trace. Then you want to trace those onto cardboard and cut out 6 of them. And then get some silver adhesive foil and cut a couple pieces big enough to cover the cardboard claw. Peel off the backing and lay it down sticky side up, and then lay the claw right onto it and smooth out any wrinkles or bubbles in the foil. And then just cut the foil off right along the edge of the claw all the way around so that you end up with a nice silver-sided claw. And then you just do the same thing to the other side of the claw, laying the non-covered side onto the sticky side up with the silver foil, smooth out the bubbles, and cut off the out round. And so then along the very edge you want to take a really thin piece of silver foil and just kind of roll the edge of the claw across it so that it's sticking to the top of it. Then you just take a pair of scissors and cut along both sides of it so you get a super thin piece that's stuck to the top of the claw. Just like that, and then you'll do the same thing to the bottom side as well so the entire thing is covered in silver. So here's all 6 of my silver claws. And then you just want to cut a tiny little mark, tiny little V at the bottom of each claw. And then take a rectangle of cardboard, just a little bit smaller than the width of your hand so that your hand can cover it up when it's closed. Mark out where your finger gaps are. And then just cut a little V right where all the finger gaps are. And then you should be able to slide your claws right over the finger gaps on each one where you cut the gaps in the claws. So you do 3 claws for each rectangle, of course. And then you should be able to put those around your fingers. And so to get them to stay in place, just take a little bit of hot glue and glue them all in place. So you'll have some nice firm claws, and they'll stick right onto your hand when you hold on to the little piece of cardboard. Read between the lines. Language!